Hi, and thanks for joining me today. This is Mike with Designs by M, and today I wanted to show you how to make this really cute and quick little gift card holder box. You can pretty much put anything inside of it. Today I have put some tissue paper inside and put a gift card. This is a really great and quick gift idea if you're giving gift cards or some type of small thing. I think earrings would be really good in this. Just something small, and it's really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put this together. First, I wanted to show you the paper that I'm using today. I'm using a paper pack by DCWV called Happy Wishes. This is some really nice paper. Let me show you a little bit of it. In the beginning, it comes with all these cutouts, and you can see I've used quite a bit already, and we're going to be using some today. As well as in the back, there's a bunch of stickers, and some of them actually have glitter on them, which is really neat. And then here's just a quick, I know it goes by pretty quick, but here's just a sampling of some of the paper in the pack, and they are double-sided. This is, I think, one of my favorites. This blue poinsettia, nice. Awesome. All right, now the beauty about today's project is one piece of 12 by 12 will actually make two of these. So this is great. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now that I have my scoreboard out, what we need to do is score on 1 inch on every side. So 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch. And then grab our second piece and 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 1 inch. Perfect. All right, now to make this easier, I am just going to go ahead and crease all of my folds here. All right. So now I need to determine which is going to be the inside of my box and which is going to be the top that I'm folding down. And I think I am going to fold it down like this. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to glue this down. You can use tape. I'm using glue. I'm going to fold this part down. Do the same exact thing to this one. Apply my glue and glue it down. All right. So now that I have that done, we do need to cut some pieces out. And I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but when we did our scores, we have a score line here and we have a score line here, which created a little square here and a little square here. On one of the pieces, we need to cut that square out. So we're going to cut up to this first score line, and then we're going to cut this piece out like that. And we're going to do the same exact thing on this side. Cut up to the score line and cut up to the score line. All right. Now on the second piece, we just need to make a slice. We don't need to cut out the square, we just need to go up to that first score mark here. Just like that. All right. So now this is going to be the outside of my bag, this is going to be the inside of my bag. Now before we get started, I'm just going to re-crease everything because it just makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to fold my pieces again this way. All right. And just recreasing it just helps a little bit. Perfect. So now basically what we're going to do is take this piece and it's going to go inside this piece. Okay? So I just like to lay them next to each other, dry fit them. Dry fit, I mean make sure that they fit without any adhesive on it. Go ahead and apply my glue. And then just fold it over. All right. Just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and attach the sides. So the first thing that I want to do is put glue on this one. And I'm going to bend this up. And that tab is going to be on the inside. So I'm just going to glue that on the inside. So you can see there it is. I'm going to do the same exact thing for this one. I'm going to flip it up. Apply some glue. And bend this one over. Okay. And now what I like to do on this one is fold this over with this piece on top. Like that. Perfect. So let's apply some adhesive onto, you could apply adhesive onto either side at this point, but put it on this piece. And bend that over. And we're going to do the same exact on this side. Fold it over. There you go. And you got a cute little bag. So let me show you how I finish it off. Alright, so here's how I'm going to finish off my box. Now I have a tag. Now I cut this out directly from the paper stack. It comes with all sorts of tags that you can cut out and use. There's some cute ones like the gingerbread man and the I love, or the love you with the reindeer, joy to the world. There's tons of them in there. Today I'm going to use this one. And I've already went ahead and punched a hole out in the top. I'm going to use a hole puncher. Now you can measure however distance in and however distance down. I'm going to eyeball mine. And I'm going to go about halfway in the middle. Go like that. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright. Now I'm going to take my ribbon. I'm going to put it through my hole. I'm just going to tie a knot in it. Alright, here's that side. If yours frays a little bit, you can go ahead and cut that off. If I can find my scissors. Like that. Now I want this to be in here. Oops, wrong way, because I want it to be facing this way. So let's add here, like that, and we'll add our ribbon to this side. I'll tie my knot. Cut that off. Alright, we'll do the same exact thing to the other side. Now these are going to make such great quick gift card holders or anything that you need to put a small gift in. At the holidays, I know a lot of women receive earrings. These would be really great to put earrings or jewelry in. I think that would be wonderful. But I give a lot of gift cards out, so I thought these would be really perfect for me to give gift cards out in. Now if I can just finish the knot off, we will almost be done. There we go. I want to give this a quick little trim. All right. The other one I added some tissue paper in. So this one I decided that I'm going to add some of this crinkle stuff in. You could add a little, you could add a lot. Let's grab a gift card, put your gift card in, and there you go. This is the one we just made. I made one earlier, and this is the one that I started with. So real quick and simple, and I think you can come up with all sorts of neat ideas, and I can't wait to see them. Until next time, bye!